6:33 a.m. It's snowing in Kansas City. Just thought I'd record some of it for you guys. Got about, I'd say a couple inches on the ground so far. Somebody needs help here. You okay there, buddy?
Yeah, I just got to lock it in the 4-wheel.
Okay, all right. Have a good one. Okay, yes, the roads are still nicely covered. Because of the temperature, I kind of like it. Makes it a little more exciting. I didn't look at radar this morning, but I can't imagine there's going to be a heck of a lot more. This is really a light snow. So, anyway, just thought you guys might enjoy it. I may record another one later.